this is the one I've been waiting for. This is the Amorge, whatever the way you want to say it. Everyone with their different accents says it completely differently, but this is the 72 volt, 32 amp, 200 continuous output. I think this has a max up to 280. This is the one, this is the battery. Originally, and it still might be, it was for this bike here, the Razor Rambler. But I've ordered a kit for the back 5,000 watt, really high power kit we was going to do. But the problem I have now is Razor measures their rims with their tyres. So they count that as a 16. But the actual rims are 12 and the tyres are 14. So I should have measured it. I'm an idiot. I ordered a 16-inch rim. Well, that's what you think when you see and they say it's 16-inch. That's what you do. Or when you're spending that much money, probably you don't. But as you can see, I've got bikes all around me. I get a bit ahead of myself. So I don't actually know if that's going to fit that. So the kit's arrived. We're going to do an unboxing video for that one. And then I'm going to get a tyre put on it. And then we're going to see what happens. I don't know if that's just a thicker set at the bottom, the other tyre will match it, but obviously we can't have too big at the back and small at the front because it's to do with steering. If it was the other way around, it wouldn't be a problem. But anyway, let's start getting this unwrapped. This is what I've been waiting for, this one. This wasn't cheap. So this was, it wasn't, I say it wasn't cheap. It's cheap for what it is. People are going mad for these top end budget batteries. People are going mad for them, for the quality of them. I mean, even the setup, their website, the way they package stuff, everything they do just seems to have a bit more class about it. And there's a video of someone taking one apart, and like he said, he builds batteries and he said, I can't see a fault on this. I can't see anything wrong with it. This one's got the EV batteries in. So I know you can get all different kinds of ones, but this one, that one. Right, plenty of packaging, that's good. You know what? It hasn't got the polystyrene in. Wow. I'm always like, oh, they have to put polystyrene, they have to do this. Obviously they don't, look, you can use foam. I hate polystyrene, but no, that's brilliant. Right, first thing we see, right, this is the connector, so this will connect into the battery. Then you have your negative and your positive, what goes into your controller. So for me, I use a far driver. So that'll be perfect. That's all done. Is that the actual battery itself? It's quite big. That's bigger than I first thought. I don't think that even fit on there. We'll find a way. Oh, charger. Another one of these. If you saw the last video, I've done the unboxing of the kit. It's a bit different. Oh yeah, my other one's got more, it's got the other input. This will have the, I think it's the XC60, I don't know, something like that. So what's this one? This one is, should tell us, 5 amp output. So yeah, decent built-in fan. It's a standard battery charger. I do want to get one of the battery chargers where you can put in your own voltage, you can do everything, but that's really good. So let's show you, because on the last video I wasn't sure if I was showing you everything, but yeah, that's everything there. Let me show you that cable again. There we go. Alright, so that's done. Now, it's just basically the battery. I did pay extra to have it put into a metal case. I think it was only an extra $30. It wasn't a lot. Blood hell, that's heavy. Oh. Like this. Box. Whoa, what way are we up? What way up? I'm gonna go, they put extra foam this side, so I'm guessing it's this way. You can see that. Right, let's have a little look. Right, we'll start unboxing this. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Let's go. Oh, nicely wrapped. See, this company, they do seem to take pride in what they do. For starters, even on their website, I'll show you, actually, we'll pause there, and before I open this, I'm going to show you the screenshots of the company, what's inside, everything else. So you got it all on your screen now. Right, this is the Amorge Alibaba site. This is what I come on when I bought my battery. This is my battery. This is the 72 volt 32 amp battery. As you can see, everything's all laid out on their page really nicely. It tells you everything you need. You can do your send inquiry, you can do your chat now. It tells you everything about the battery. This one on here, for some reason, is saying it's the lithium battery, but my one is the EV battery. But yeah, so as you can see, you just come on here and it will tell you everything, the size of the battery. And when you chat to them, they're lovely. They come back to you straight away. So as you can see, it's a max continuous discharge of 200 amps. So that will just keep, if you want to set that against your controller to what you want, but that's the max you can go up to. So more than powerful for any build. Yeah, so as you see, it's got everything there, the size of the packaging, the delivery, it's everything you need. And they're easy to talk to. You go on their reviews, so they've got 145 reviews, they've got 4.8 out of 5, and everyone you look at, it all says how good they are. They're really big in the Razor community. Obviously, we only have the smaller Razors over here, but they have like the 600, 650s, what they can put in all their batteries and they fit. But yeah, so that's their Alibaba page. Right, we saw that, yep. So that's all done. Lovely. Right. Oh, better be careful of this. Got the cables sticking out on top. I'm there with a bloody fucking meat carver. Just chopping away at it, and there's all my cables on top of my £540 battery. What is a good price? That sounds a lot, but for the quality and what you're paying, I mean, yeah, you could pay $350 on Amazon and you get something to really set your house alight. Right. So this is the. I still can't even remember the name. I just thought some people are Amorge, Amore. Amore is Italian. Isn't it? That's what I'm not getting. That's Amore. So I don't know, but I'm listening to Americans when they say it. So God knows. God help me. Right. I will actually. I'm gonna actually message her and ask her to do me a voice note of the name, so I can finally end it of what it's actually called. This amount of people got it all different, but we'll see. It's nicely packed. Look at that, even that's all foam. That's better than polystyrene. So much better. Ow, nearly went through my hand. That's why I don't need a knife. I keep saying in every video, oh, I ain't got the Stanley out. It's because it's in the shed. So, right, whoa, look at this battery. That looks nice. With all these little bits. Really heavy though. Oh. Look at that. Nice, isn't it? Metal case. It's so worth getting the metal case. Waterproof it, everything. Damage proof. I mean, if that, you saw the video in my last one when I dropped the battery. That was nice. You dropped this. I think you're damaging the floor. You ain't damaging this. Obviously, I'm not planning to drop it. And the other one was a lot more cheap than this one. Right. Let's top off. Look at that. Lovely thick cables. So we have our cable here. Click, click. Whoa. Click, click. Whoa. Was it meant to do that? Why did that spark? Okay. Hopefully that's not going up in flames right now. Well, that's smart. I know they can spark, but I thought this meant to have an anti-spark on it. What the hell just happened there? Do you think I put it in negative positive? But that wouldn't matter, would it? Negative to positive. Now it's just not connected to anything. Right. That probably wasn't a good start. Okay. Start that again. Cable. Oh, you know what I did? What an idiot. I had the negative and positive touching each other, didn't I, when I put it in? Twat. That's what I did. Oh, hopefully that ain't blowing my battery. But the plus point, what we have about this, we have an app. So we can go onto the app and we can see the cells. Hopefully that's just, there's got to be a fail safe on that. Anyway, let's get back to that. Whoa. So Amorge, your power will we guard. Here we go. Look at that. Nice, solid battery. Hopefully I ain't just, what is it with me? I dropped batteries, now nearly, but hopefully I ain't blown this one up. But here we go. So yeah, 72 volt, 32 amp, 200 amp discharge, charge rating voltage 84 amps, max charge 15 amps. So that's only a 5 amp charger. So we could get a bigger charger, that's fine. Always handled with care, blah blah blah, all the normal stuff on here. Right, on the back here, I'll just quickly show you. It has the thing for the apps. So, oh, that's stinking. Hopefully I didn't blow that up. Right, let me go on the app. There we go, iOS. Let's download the app. This bit I might fast forward you, depending how long this takes. But I'll keep talking just in case. Poor, that still stinks. What an idiot. I can't believe that. I was so excited just to plug it in. Everyone know you. Why did I have them close together? I'm lucky that didn't blow up really. Imagine that. Right, here we go. Allow, yes. Bluetooth. Yes, I have read the agreement. Allow. Device list. It's picking up everything. Which one is it? It's got to be that one. And let's try that one. Connected. Alright, 64% charge it come as. Reading successful. Open. It's total 32 amps in it at the moment, but of course they're not going to send it full. My lowest voltage on one of, because look on there. You see on there? So it tells you your lowest voltage of one of your cells to the highest. So my lowest is 3.793 and my highest is 3795. So it's basically the same. It's all good. So there's no dead cells there. So hopefully I haven't actually blown anything up. Total cycles. It tells you, it's good, it tells you how many cycles you've done on it. The pack voltage is 75 volts. So just so that's fine. It will tell you the current, what's going through it. So when you have it connected to something, the power, it's a nifty little app. Like it tells you everything. Even when you're riding, I'm sure it tells you. Oh, even here, look, temperature. It tells you all the temperatures of it, so you're not overheating it. I'm sure it'll tell you if there's, look, BMS control. So I can actually change the BMS as well. So you do that on your controller, but I suppose if your controller, if you're buying a battery like this, you're buying a good controller. So your controller's going to be able to change the BMS, not the BMS, the amps, what's coming out of it. But if it don't, you can do it on here, clear current, you can do everything on it. Bluetooth, there's stuff on it I don't even have a clue about, to be totally honest, but it's good to know it's there. Right, we'll go back off of that. Let's have a little quick look. Yeah, it's still saying 64, so I'm hoping, I'm sure I didn't do anything wrong there. What an idiot. I'm thinking, oh, why did it do that? Yeah, negative and positive. Fuck it. What is it with me and batteries? Every time I get a battery, I nearly do something to destroy it. But I think we'll be fine. Warnings, charge must on. I think that's charge. I think it's basically saying let's charge. So it's got a protect info, it's got a warning info, and it hasn't given me any warning. So hopefully I didn't actually do anything wrong there. Well, I did do something wrong, but hopefully it didn't blow it. Right. So I think what I'm going to do, I'll plug this in just to double check. I'm trusting to plug this indoors because I think on here it would tell me if there was something wrong with it. So we'll see. I'll plug it in now, have a little look. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, so I must quickly show you now. So that is planned to go in that. We could get that in with bending the frame, bending the bottom bracket a bit out, so that'd be fine. As you can probably see over here, I've got the big, this is 26-inch, 4-inch wheels on that. It's the big frame. It don't do it justice on the camera. This is the bike I got from auction. What you will see the videos coming up shortly on how to buy a bike from auction. Is it worth it? Do you save money? Does the bike work? Lovely frame on that. So that's another project. If you're wondering about the other bike, I did get it all running, but because of the component I didn't put on, it was on the, I got someone to put a single flywheel on the back, freewheel. It wasn't tightened up properly, so it come off its thread, and managed to put the washer in the gap where I take it off and basically weld itself in. So I'm gonna have to drill that out. But what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna take the battery off of that and the controller for the minute for the big bike over here before I order a kit and a bigger like hub motor and everything else for it. So they're the next few bits coming up. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It would really help because I'm spending a lot of money out on a lot of all this stuff. This alone was £540 with delivery. Let alone the kit I've got for it, and then that bike's going to end up costing me about 1,400 quid just to build. And that's if I don't have to then buy another hub motor because, like I said, the dimensions are a bit out, but I will end up using that on something else. Buy a pit bike and throw it on that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.